Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the camera works. Cock the shutter, move the film advance and release the rewind knob. Once done, open the back, insert a 35mm cartridge, pull the leader across and thread it into the K-cup spool so the perforations engage. Make sure to align leader markers and close the back. Advance the lever 2 to 3 times until the frame counter resets. Set ISO via the film speed dial so the meter you'll use matches the film speed. Now meter and compose. Look through the viewfinder, note the meter needle and choose whether to match shutter speed or aperture to center it. You'll prefer wider apertures for low light and smaller apertures for depth. Focus the lens manually until the subject is sharp. Compose using the viewfinder grid and mind parallax for close distances. Once composed, cock the shutter with the advance lever so the camera is ready. Press the release smoothly, then wind for the next exposure. When the roll is finished, press the rewind release, flip the rewind crank and rewind slowly until you feel release. Open the back only after full rewind. Make sure the frame counter reads the final position, then label the exposed roll with ISO and date. If the advance feels sticky or the meter fails to move, first swap the battery if applicable. If no battery or problem persists, don't force the mechanism. Stop and seek CLA or professional servicing to avoid damaging gears or the shutter.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.